ideas chile positive in the development ya common mwananchi. Eka mogo share ideas ebintu mpiroro biko necessitate to these ideas koba functional. One chibe sanchiga neiri. So yaikire bono abantu mpaga neiri bako lead asichinkwane chiga chuo chencha ideas yechiga na yabeire party nga Nyamira ntubwatu mugavana oyobekira umutwe kobogoli Nyamira engima ase enkora yaye na gotochenjeria ideas kitubwate kuri ground ga igotuchibogoleria otochira the next level so that Nyamira kero yiboirororo annual development. It is unfortunate nga ekero airuli bageri go mugavana ito obere so selfish na kiria gekeke go choro chibesi go chororo mismanage. One nkwana ya muyale gotebu ni ringa AOBC the headquarters chiagachi for a long time. Aba koli emirimo no contractors almost bamachiri waka no chibesi chons was chiaga no chons akijuli baka no almost 90%.
I guess oko selfish in community.
Selfish otwale chibesa chiria chire meant for the county or irate a larger share into his own things. Maybe aligate family yae, maybe aligate development chiae, businesses chiae, webile nga chibesi chialenge icho mwananchi kawaida.
Ayanga yuko nyora.
It's common sense. Common sense dictates that a project, how come a project yekwira all this long? Na project you're on the ground, whatever that has been put there, purposely saying chocolate a project in terms of chibes. Nekene again to carry ground na whatever resources to make it match chile. Definitely they don't match. So common sense dictates singer chibes jabe diverted. Neko chabe diverted. Asing yunta mighty ngachi and the gocha. Na nero chibuate. Definitely it should be answerable.